Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Ally Bank username, quick guide step by step clearly. To reset your Ally Bank username, start by visiting the Ally Bank website. On the home page, locate and click on the login button at the top right corner. Once on the login page, look for the Trouble Logging In link. Click on that link to access the account recovery options. Next, select the Forgot Username option to begin the reset process. You will be prompted to enter your registered email address. Fill in the email address associated with your Ally Bank account. After entering your email, click the Send Me a Link button. Check your email inbox for a message from Ally Bank. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for a link to reset your username. Click on the provided link to navigate to the username reset page. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new username. After entering your new username, confirm the details as required. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation message. You can now use your new username to log in to your Ally Bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ally Bank customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.